In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Okrs. We will do this inside Notion by adding an OKR template from the marketplace, then creating a new OKR within that workspace. Start by going to your Notion homepage, where you can see your sidebar navigation and your recent pages. Next, click Marketplace in the left side menu. The Marketplace is where Notion keeps templates you can add to your workspace, including full systems for planning, tracking, and reporting. Once you are in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Highlight. As you type, you will see matching results appear. Click the result labeled Highlight to open it. On the template page, click Add. This begins the process of installing the template into your Notion workspace. Notion may show a small selector that includes something like one member, which is simply indicating the workspace you are adding this to. Click that workspace area to confirm where the template should be added. After that, click Highlight again to finalize the selection, then click Recents. Recents helps you quickly jump to the newly added content. In the list, click OKRs to open the OKR template page that was just added to your workspace. Once the OKRs page opens, click OKRs again in the main content area to enter the database or main view where objectives and key results are organized. You will also see an introduction section that explains the purpose of OKRs, focused on reaching your most important business goals with clear objectives and measurable results. Take a moment to use this as context, since it can guide how you write your own entries. Scroll to the example content and click Example Team, People and Culture. Then click Example Objective. Build a workplace our employees love. Opening the examples can help you understand the format, naming style, and how key results are written to be measurable. When you are ready to create your own, click Add OKR. A new OKR entry will open with placeholder prompts. Click Give Me a Name and type a clear objective title that describes the outcome you want to achieve. Keep it specific and action-focused. Then click Now Measure Me and enter the key result details, making sure your measurement is concrete like a number, percentage, or completion target, so progress is easy to track. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.